Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with a makeup tutorial. So for today's look, I am giving you all kind of green vibes, and the reason why is because of this monochromatic palette by Crayon Case. Yes, y'all seen me talk about this I think in a few videos by now, so hopefully you guys have seen that. But yes, it's a beautiful monochromatic green palette and it is freaking gorgeous. And what I really love about this palette is the whole concept of it, like the whole vibe, the whole design and everything. This is like a legit like notepad. I fooled my daughter and I was like, here, I got you some notepads. And she's like, why did you get so many? And then she opened it up. She's like, wait, what the what? I was like, yes. So this looks like a legit real notepad. Like, she did an excellent job on the packaging. Like, it looks like a legit notepad. It is gorgeous. Okay, if you guys want to see me do a tutorial using this palette, definitely keep on watching. This is my first impression, my first little review using Crayon Case cosmetic period, and I have to say I absolutely love them. But there is something that I want to show you or tell you guys that I didn't do in the tutorial because I forgot. I do want to briefly let you guys know that I did go in with this green color. It's like a, yes, it's more like a green color. This is the Anastasia highlighter palette, glow kit palette, whatever you want to call it. But I did use this in my inner tear duct, and then I put it down the bridge of my nose. I did that off camera and I didn't realize I wasn't filming. And by the time I did it, I was like, well, camera's not on. It is what it is. I just had to make sure that I did briefly tell you guys what I did do to the face. But other than that, y'all, go ahead, go get you a little snack, go get you a drink, come back, and then we're finna do this tutorial, and y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy it. So.
All right, my loves, let's jump right into this tutorial. I am going to be going in with this greeny brown color. It's definitely a very unique color, but I'm going to take this color and I'm going to start this off as my transition color, being that we're going to work with all greens in this look. And I was also trying to use as many eyeshadows as possible in this palette, so I was going to continue building that color up and blending it out till I get it to my liking. Alright, so I'm going to deepen my crease, so I decided to go in with this shade of green, and this definitely did deepen it up, but I still felt like it was a little too light for my liking, so I am going to continue to build this up till I can't build it up no more. But I am going to go in with another shade of green, just one more, and then I'm going to make sure that I'm able to deepen it up. But I want to say that this color right here, the formulation is bomb. And I'm also going to go back in with that first color that I went in the crease with. I'm going to go back with that, and I'm going to make sure that I blend these two colors out so there won't be no harsh lines between these two colors. And now this is the nice deep green that I was talking about. I believe this is the deepest green in the palette, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So I'm going to be going in just a little bit towards the outer only. I'm not going all the way across like I did with the other shades. And now I did cut the crease off camera. I felt like it was just pointless to keep showing you guys the same thing. But now back to this. We're going to go in with this beautiful shimmery color. This right here, I felt like was a little bit of a tricky eyeshadow compared to the other ones I did use. I don't know what the formula of this eyeshadow was in particular, because it's, of course, it's not matte, but I wouldn't even put it in the shimmer category either. I don't know, it just had a weird like formula effect to it, so I definitely had to continue to build this product up. But once I did build it up, it was very beautiful. I just don't know what the formula texture of this though. But this right here, back to the matte. Took this nice neon green, and I'm gonna pop this right in the center of the cut crease lid. Alright, and then I'm going to be going in with one more green, and I'm going to put this to the outer part of the cut crease part, and this is basically going to seal the deal and close this look out. Alright, so this is what the finishing eyes look like with both of them done, y'all. Just without the lashes, this is absolutely beautiful. The formula, beautiful. I was very happy. So I did apply a little bit of a half wing liner off camera, but now I'm going in with my face products. Going in with my poreless moisturizer. Really love it, and I felt like it would be perfect to use it because of course it's green. The packaging is green, so I wanted to use it. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty poreless primer, and this is basically going to minimize your pores, give you that airbrush flawless look. Alright, going in with my Becca Foundation. I know you guys have probably heard the news by now about Becca, but they will be shutting down in September, I believe. So if you guys have not tried this foundation, I do recommend you guys get it while it's still available before they completely shut down their line. But y'all, this foundation is amazing. And if you're around my skin tone, the shade that I'm wearing right now is called Mahogany, and it is beautiful. Coverage is full, the formula is creamy, it's beautiful. Now going in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose and of course underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to lightly blend it out with my finger just to get it spread a little bit better. And then I like to go in with my beauty blender to make sure that it's evenly spread out and it's not having like those little fingerprints that I just put onto my face. So making sure it's nice and smooth. And then I am going to go back in with another concealer by e.l.f. and this is called Rich Ebony, and I like to use this to contour just to set those areas so that way I don't have to use so much powder when it comes to contouring my face. Alright, I'm going in with my banana powder by Black Radiance. And I like to set this powder with the light highlighter areas. So basically everywhere where I put deep cinnamon at is where I put banana on top of it to make sure it makes those lighter areas pop even more. And then I'm going to completely set my whole entire face with Cocoa Kisses. And again, this is another Black Radiance. Decided to go in with a no name blush, but it's a very beautiful deep dark red tone blush. So little definitely goes a long way with this. You can overdo it way too much like I'm doing right now, but I always go back in with my beauty blender and blend it out to make it look like the blush is like melted on my skin. And now for the lips, y'all, I'm trying for the first time Crown Case liquid lipstick. Y'all, the formula of this was amazing, beautiful. Color payoff was bomb. The finishing of it was matte. It was just, I loved it. Okay, I'm definitely am a Crown Case fan now, so I will be checking out more of her products shortly, very soon, so that way I can do like a full face, you know, using like her concealers, her setting powders and stuff like that. So you guys stay tuned for that. And then right here I'm just going in with my NK Cocoa pencil, you know, just lining my lips with that. And then I like to go back in with a brush and make sure that I'm blending the two products out, because it ain't cute when you got that harsh line when it comes to lip lining. So I definitely like to blend it out. Whether if I put my gloss on or not, I still like to do this. Especially if you're going to leave this lip matte, definitely blend out your lips very good. But of course, I like to add some gloss because I'm not a matte girl. So I'm going in with my I Am Princess lip slip. If you guys want to check her out, I will have everything listed in the description box, right along with a discount code, which is the name of your girl, okay? MakeupbyNesha. So make sure you guys check her out. I am wearing her lashes at the end of the video as well, and they're in the style Ambition, I believe. So just double check, make sure you guys check the description box and check her out, okay? But now I'm going to close my lower lash line out, and I'm going in with that deep dark green that I used in my crease, I decided to use that on my lower lash line, and I did apply black pencil as well in my waterline just to set it, and then I just went on top of that black and added this green. And then I decided to add just a touch of glitter because I felt like it was definitely going to complement this look, and plus I wanted to have an excuse to use this very beautiful green glitter. So I did go in with some lash glue, and then I'm going to pop that glitter a little bit, like one, I don't want to say one half, about one, kind of one half of the eyelid, just like very in the center lower part, if that makes sense. I don't know, but you guys see what I'm doing. But this is pretty much it. I popped on those beautiful lashes that I mentioned, and y'all, look at this. This was everything. Definitely had fun doing this monochromatic green eye look. Was definitely beautiful. Definitely recommend this palette. Yes, if you guys want to see more crown case makeup tutorials, me using these monochromatic palettes, definitely don't forget to thumbs up this video because your girl got a lot more of her palette. So I will see you guys all in another one. Thank you guys so much for watching.